Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into a topic that is more valuable than any currency, our health. In the relentless pursuit of success, wealth, and digital connectivity, we often forget the most sophisticated machine we will ever own, our body. We spend hours maintaining our cars and upgrading our phones, but how much time do we truly dedicate to the vessel that carries our soul? Today, we are discussing the architecture of a long, disease-free life. This is your comprehensive guide to reclaiming your vitality through the power of daily discipline. A masterpiece of a day is painted in its first hour. Science and ancient wisdom both agree. Rising with or before the sun aligns our internal biological clock, the circadian rhythm, with the natural world. This alignment regulates your hormones, sharpens your focus, and stabilizes your mood. The moment you wake, your body is in a state of natural dehydration. Instead of reaching for a caffeinated stimulant, gift your system 2 glasses of lukewarm water. This simple act acts as a flush for your internal organs, awakening the digestive tract and assisting the kidneys in filtering out the overnight buildup of toxins. Following this, move your body. Whether it is a brisk walk in the morning dew or a series of stretching exercises, physical movement increases oxygen flow to the brain and releases endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals. You are, quite literally, what you eat. Every cell in your body is constructed from the molecules you ingest. In an age of ultra-processed convenience and hidden sugars, we have drifted away from the Earth's bounty. To maintain true health, think of your plate as a colorful palette. Vibrant vegetables and seasonal fruits are not just side dishes, they are biological information packs filled with vitamins and antioxidants that fight cellular aging. Protein serves as your building block, while healthy fats provide the necessary insulation for your nervous system. The greatest enemies of modern health are refined sugar and excessive salt, the silent architects of inflammation and heart disease. Practice mindful eating. Chew slowly, listen to your body's hunger cues, and never skip breakfast, as it is the spark that ignites your metabolism for the entire day. Hydration is often the most overlooked aspect of wellness. Our bodies are composed of nearly 60% water, and every chemical reaction within our cells requires it. Chronic mild dehydration leads to fatigue, brain fog, and skin issues. Make it a habit to sip water consistently throughout the day rather than drinking large amounts all at once. Pure, filtered water is the best choice, but herbal teas and water-rich foods like cucumbers and watermelons also contribute to your daily goals. By keeping your fluid levels stable, you ensure that nutrients are efficiently transported to your cells and waste products are effectively removed from your bloodstream. Our ancestors were hunters and gatherers. We were born to move. Yet the modern world has trapped us in chairs and behind screens. Sedentary behavior is a slow toxin for the heart. If you work at a desk, remember the importance of posture. Slouching restricts lung capacity and puts unnecessary pressure on the spine. Every hour, stand up, stretch, and let your blood circulate. But physical health is hollow without mental peace. Chronic stress is a silent killer that suppresses the immune system. We must carve out time for digital detoxing, moments where the phone is put away and we reconnect with ourselves. Whether through meditation, reading a physical book, or simply breathing deeply, finding a moment of silence in a noisy world is essential for neurological recovery. The final pillar of a healthy life is sleep. Sleep is not a luxury, it is a biological necessity. During deep sleep, the body performs its most critical maintenance, repairing tissues, consolidating memories, and flushing toxins from the brain. Depriving yourself of rest is like trying to run a marathon on an empty tank. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep in a dark, cool environment. Minimize blue light exposure from screens at least 1 hour before bed, as it disrupts the production of melatonin, your natural sleep hormone. This is when the magic of healing happens. When you prioritize rest, you are not being lazy, you are being strategic about your longevity. Maintaining health is not a destination you reach and then stop. It is a continuous journey of small, disciplined choices made every single day. Personal hygiene, a positive mindset, and a commitment to movement are the investments you make today for a graceful old age tomorrow. Do not ignore the small signals your body sends you. A recurring headache, constant fatigue, or digestive discomfort are often early warnings. Listen to your body, respect it, and nourish it. Your body is the only permanent home you have in this world. By embracing these daily habits, you are not just adding years to your life, but life to your years. If you found this guide helpful and want to take charge of your health today, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss our future documentaries and wellness tips. Share this with someone who needs to hear it, and let us know in the comments which habit you're going to start tomorrow. Stay healthy, stay vibrant, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.